Hi, my name is Dick, this is Edna, and we have a combination for you for Nightclub Two Step, and it's we're going to do a little peekaboo to a hammerlock in this. So we'll start with a basic, 1 and 2, 3, pivot turn first with a double turn, 2, 3 and 4, real quickly, right to right, left on top. Gonna do 1 peekaboo, 1 and 2, 3, and at the end I drop into hammerlock with my right hand. I do a rock back and a tuck, 1 and tuck the 2, let go of the low hand, spin her out, 3 and 4. I do a reverse pickup, 2, 3 and 4, and we're done.
And let's show your footwork to start here.
Okay, so my basic is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pivot turn for the girl. She does a double turn. 1 and out there. She turns 3 and 4. I do a quick right to right, pick up the left on top. I'm doing a half a peekaboo, which is a rock back. 1 and 2, 3. Now on and 4, I drop into hammerlock. Okay, now I rock her back in 1 and 2 and do a tuck with my right hand. 1 and tuck, 2, I no longer need this hand. She goes around for 3 and 4. We rock back and do a reverse pickup, 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Okay,
That's
let's do it like this, sideways.
Okay, so we'll start with our basic, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pivot turn is first, and 2, double spin, remember that, 3 and 4. Drop the hand, show the left. Half a peekaboo, 1 and 2, 3 and there's the hammerlock. Rock her back, 1 and 2, throw this hand away, stir the pot, 3 and 4, reverse pickup, 1 and 2, walk around 3 and 4.
Okay, I think that's probably, let's do it from this side.
Okay, same thing. 1 and 2.
3 and 4.
There's the pivot.
3 and 4.
Double turn,
and
right
that
away.
gives you enough time to switch hands because you got to switch both hands.
4 is a long count. Now rock back. Half a peekaboo. 3 and go right into hammer. Rock back 1 and go to tuck. 3 and 4. Go to reverse whip. Reverse pickup. 3 and 4. There you have it.
Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.
Hopefully the camera was on.
It wasn't.